Hi, I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger for Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie, here today at the Community College of Philadelphia, in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I'm going to show you how to make low-calorie pumpkin applesauce. So, in this pot, I've just taken some Granny Smith apples, about 3 of them. I peeled them a little bit, chopped them up, and I just cooked them down in about a half a cup of water. Just watch it. You might have to add more water if they stick, but as soon as they start to get soft, you're good to go. So in here is just some fully cooked apple, and I added about a tablespoon of honey. And that's it. So it's pretty soft. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to take 1 can regular pumpkin. You can find this anywhere. It's great during Thanksgiving time. You can do pumpkin desserts and all that jazz, but that's it. Now, if you want to use fresh pumpkin, go for it. Just slow roast it and then take it out and blend it, and you've got the exact same thing then you can get in the can. Perfect. So just going to give it a really good mix. Those apples are so soft, they're kind of just mushing up in the pumpkin. Okay, now you're going to add a half a teaspoon of nutmeg and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. If you like pumpkin spice and you have that laying around, use that. That's the best. It's got the ginger and all that, so you could just use a tablespoon of pumpkin spice. And that's it. Apples, pumpkin, honey, and some seasoning. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of water, go stick it on the stove, and just let it simmer for a few minutes. Let all those flavors kind of meld together. If you have a slow cooker, this is a great slow cooker recipe. So I'll go bring it back. Super, super easy. Just let that cook down. I added a little bit of water, mixed it up, pureed if you like it nice and pureed. If you like your applesauce chunky, just leave it as is. And I just served it in a bowl and put some cinnamon sticks in there just so you can kind of get the idea. Really easy, great side dish to any meal. Again, I'm Chef Laura Hahn, chef and blogger for Guilt-Free Foodie Cutie, here today at the Community College of Philadelphia. And that's how you make low-calorie pumpkin applesauce. Enjoy.